And now that I'm videotaping, he's not going to do it. Seamus, be cute again. There you go.
I've got an idea. It's tricky, but I think it could work. The trouble begins about 17 seconds into the flight. The phase variance kicks in, and the slipstream becomes unstable. What we need is someone in the shuttle to ride the rapids in front of Voyager.
Seamus, what you doing? Hi, Pumpkin.
Now, here's the tricky part. The shuttle will only be a couple of seconds ahead of Voyager. That doesn't give auto navigation much time to compensate. Couple of seconds? We can do this, Captain. Put me on that shuttle. I'll get Voyager through the slipstream. What choice do we have? Take the drive offline? Months of work for nothing? We built a highly experimental piece of technology. There were bound to be setbacks. The Venomite crystals at the heart of this engine have already started to decay. It could take years to synthesize more. The rest of you. But I didn't do all this work just to be stopped by a .42 phase variance. Please, Captain.
All right. You convinced me. Prepare a flight plan. Have it on my desk within the hour.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll let you know what I decide.
I loved Harry Kim's presentation.
Mm-hmm.